Hello from Rose Cottage on Sydenham Terrace, part of Mount Nelson, a Belmond hotel in Cape Town. This was obviously somebody's cottage, and I'm sure in the past it would have had lots of beds, not just one bed here. And it looks beautifully historic, but up to date. Open one of the cupboards and there was the safe. I'm taking you around the room. Good. I've got USB ports by the bed, both sides too, and universal sockets. They've upped this. When I stayed here some years ago, the Wi-Fi was appalling. The place hadn't been redone. Now it has, and I shall be in that bathtub later. Let's have a look at the shower. Nice and big. Single head. And here's the sitting room. Charming, it just befits the name, Rose Cottage. I love the decor. Lots to read. Yes, it feels like a rose cottage. It feels absolutely gorgeous. And look, over the desk again, I've got sockets and USBs. Here we are, and here's the front garden. And here are the roses. And I'm looking out at a private pool.